Hello everyone, this is Karan from IIT Delhi and I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to discuss on a very important topic and also the demanded topic, most effective ways of revision. That is, what are the effective ways to do the revision of the topics which we study. This was very demanding topic and so here is the video. In this video, I am going to share with you 3 important ways and 3 most effective ways to do revision of any topic, and it will be very helpful to you. Third way is the most important and the most beneficial way, but it is linked to the both methods which I am going to tell first. So please don't skip any part of the video and stay tuned till the end. So let's get started. So coming on to the very first point, to do effective revision. Why am I using effective revision? You don't have to do revision for formality. If you are doing revision, it should store in your mind. It should be stored in your mind. Okay, so that is why effective word is of prime importance here. So coming on to the first point, it is make short notes. Now you will be saying that bhaiya, it is a very common point, very cliche point. Everybody says this, but I know everybody says this, but then also you never do it. Importance of short notes. Why short notes are important? Why I'm saying revise using short notes? Why the short notes method is effective method of revision? Because it is our human tendency, human psychology, that if we see that a book is this much long or this much of weight, we are not going to study it. We are not going to revise. If we see the notes are of 200 pages, our mind will say it is too many pages, we are not going to revise. But if we see there are only of 2 pages, and we will be feeling happy that we can revise it multiple times. So that is why making short notes is the best method to revise. Make short notes and go effectively. Go revising it daily, weekly. Just see it and make the formula notes and stick it onto your wall. Make formula notes and stick it onto your wall and just see it whenever you when you are having any dinner, lunch or anything, just see to it. Now some people will say and that bhaiya, I have not made short notes. Then why? First of all, I would advise then definitely go and make short notes first. But if you haven't, or if you don't want to, which is not advisable actually, but still if you want to revise without making short notes, then start revising from your notes. Start revising from your 200 pages notes, but keep one thing in mind, that while revising, don't keep your hand idle. Start noting down something simultaneously. Take one rough copy with you, note down bullet points, because when you are doing this simultaneously, you are increasing your concentration towards the topic and it will be stored in your mind for a longer time. I hope tip number 1 is very clear to you. Now tip or the method number 2 is saying out things loud. This is the more effective actually than making short notes. The more effective than making short notes or anything, but short notes you have to make. But more effective method of revising short notes is this, that you have to say out loud. Suppose I'm studying chemical kinetics. I don't have to keep within myself. I will study T half ka formula. Like T half is inversely proportional to A naught to the power n minus 1. Say it out loud. T half is inversely proportional to A naught to the power n minus 1. If you say it out multiple times, you will be keeping it in your mind for a longer time. This is very important, and for both type of people, you have made short notes or whether you have not made short notes. Very important. You have to make short notes, I am again emphasizing, and to revise short notes or to revise your notes, you have to say out multiple times. Saying it out loud is a more effective way. Okay. Now coming on to the third and the most important point. That is, you must have also heard this quote or this saying or this line, that the best way to remember something is to teach it to someone. The best way to remember something is to teach it to someone. And if you teach a particular topic to someone, you are never ever going to forget it, and mark my words here. Okay, so whether you have made short notes, whether you have not made short notes, if you want to revise a topic, and if you have made short notes, then also I'm saying this. If you have not made short notes, then also I'm saying this. Say it out loud first within yourself for 1-2 times, then start teaching a topic to someone like who doesn't know anything. Just imagine someone alongside you who is sitting beside you and start teaching someone. Like start saying it out loud in a way that you are teaching someone. Now you will say that bhaiya, I don't have anyone in my home to teach. I'm not saying it to pick up a person and teach. If you are saying it out loud, start saying it in a way that you are a teacher and you are teaching it to someone, from the very basic to the very advanced. Then by doing this way, you are not going to forget that topic at any point of time. I hope this video is very, very clear to you. If you are IIT JAM 2022 aspirant, chemistry aspirant basically, then do follow the crash course which I am actually providing you with. I have also provided you the short notes. You can go through the method of writing short notes or method of making short notes. You can also go through the PYQs. You can also go through the Claydon series. You can go through the strategy videos for physical, inorganic, organic, motivation videos, and everything I have given. So keep subscribing the channel, keep sharing the channel, supporting the channel. We will meet you in the next video. Till then, stay tuned with Chemistry with Karan. Thank you so much.